A very warm welcome and thanks to all of you for joining us today for this press conference here. I'll again introduce myself. My name is Amit Rathore. I'm the Senior Vice President for PhysicsWallah Vidyapeeth, and I handle the entire academic and business operations for PhysicsWallah for the state of Maharashtra, Goa and the entire southern India. So the purpose of having this conference today was to let everybody know that we have opened our information centers for the first time here in the state of Goa, and we have opened two such information centers, one of which is at Panjim and the second one is at Margao. The purpose of opening these information center at Goa was very clear. I had been very closely observing and working, at Goa, and I have been seeing the aspirations of the students of Goa for NEET and JEE test preparations, and of course the junior students also, those who are studying in class 8th, 9th and 10th for the junior level competition. So Goa is not only a touristy place, but yes, kids here, they have very high aspiration for their career, and they are looking for participation in NEET, JEE and other all India competitive examination as they wish to pursue their further career into medicine, into engineering and other career options. So just to address their need of providing them guidance, whatever they require for NEET, JEE test preparation, we have opened our information centers here. Students studying in class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th and then 12th pass out, they can drop into the center. They can take the required guidance for NEET and JEE test preparatory courses. Foundation kids, class 8th, 9th and 10th kids, those who are looking to participate in junior level competitions like Olympiad, they can also take that required guidance, and the staff that we are deputing here, they will help them in all possible means. Eventually we have plans, as I said, the aspiration of kids here, they are very high and they want quality education at their doorstep. As of now also the kids of Goa, they had been preparing for all these competitive examinations, joining us, but they had been traveling to other locations, far-flung locations to avail these services. So we have plans in the upcoming months to open our proper offline center here in the state of Goa. We are looking for opening centers in Panjim as well as Margao, wherein students who are actually competing for NEET and JEE, they can join our 1 year, 2 year or multi-year courses, take that able guidance and fulfill their dreams of qualifying NEET and JEE preparatory courses, right? So yeah, that is the main purpose. And then to provide the financial support to the students, we are also launching our scholarship exam. The phase 1 of that exam has already been over. We call that PWNSAT examination, which we had conducted this month, and the result has been declared for phase 1. But yes, the phase 2 of that examination is also lined up in the next month. Students who are not that great financially and they need financial support to support their studies, test preparatory education, they can appear in this scholarship exam and they can avail up to 100% of scholarship also, and can study for 2 years or multi-year programs free of cost. So through this medium, I also want to communicate this to all the parents and students of Goa to participate, register for this PWNSAT examination, perform good in that, and basis their performance, as I said, they can avail up to 100% of free ship for the courses as well. So I think yes, that's all from my side, and apart from that, we are happy to answer the questions if any, right? Thank you so much. Anything else would you like to add? Any questions?
सर आपने जो बोले हैं
जी
मल्टीपल कोर्सेज के लिए आप ये दे रहे हो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, उसमें क्या क्या रहेगा?
सो जैसा मैंने अभी बताया कि वो बच्चे जो कि नीट और जेई के लिए प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं वो हमारे इस स्कॉलरशिप एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर कर सकते हैं। इस स्कॉलरशिप एग्ज़ाम में उनका कैसा परफॉर्मेंस आएगा उसके बेसिस पर उन बच्चों को अप टू 100% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी, और अगर वो बच्चा 100% स्कॉलरशिप तक लाता है तो हमारे कोर्सेज़ को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट भी अवेल कर सकता है।
आपका जो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर चल रहा है, आपका फर्स्ट जो अभी आपने स्टार्ट किया है,
अभी हमने अपने इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स यहाँ पर शुरू किए हैं, और इन इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर में हमारा एक्सपर्ट स्टाफ रहेगा। ऐसे बच्चे जो कि क्लास 8th 9th 10th 11th 12th में हैं और वो किसी भी तरह के कंपटीशन की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं, 8th 9th 10th के स्टूडेंट्स अगर वो ओलंपियाड्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, 11th 12th पास आउट स्टूडेंट्स अगर वो नीट और जेई की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो वो हमारे एक्सपर्ट स्टाफ से गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं। आने वाले समय में जैसा मैंने कहा कि हमारा प्लान है कि हम अपने ऑफलाइन सेंटर्स भी यहाँ पर ओपन करेंगे, और जब हम अपने ऑफलाइन सेंटर्स यहाँ ओपन करेंगे तो ये बच्चे हमारे 1 ईयर 2 ईयर या फिर मल्टी ईयर कोर्सेज में ज्वाइन करके नीट और जेई के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं। Sorry? So we are an online first organization, right? So we started as an online company first, and this actually initiated as an online channel, a YouTube channel. So the founder, Mr. Alak Pandey, he is a physics faculty, and that's how that name came when it started originally as a YouTube channel.
अभी जो आपके कोर्सेज है उसमें कुछ फिजिक्स है ऐसा कुछ?
So no, now as I said that the centers, the offline centers that we have opened, we are providing exclusive courses for NEET and JEE and junior level competitions, in which along with physics all the other subjects that are required to participate in these examinations, they are being taught.
क्योंकि फिजिक्स जो सब्जेक्ट है उसमें बहुत सारे मतलब स्टूडेंट्स का इंटरेस्ट, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का इंटरेस्ट रहता है और कुछ उनको हिट कर दे उस सब्जेक्ट को, तो उसके लिए आपने क्या सोचा है?
It's not only physics. See, if I talk about NEET, so NEET में if any student wants to participate or qualify, he or she has to be very good in 4 subjects, which is physics, chemistry, zoology and botany. So not only for physics but all these 4 subjects, those who are looking to participate in these examination and excel, do well, the proper guidance, proper study material, proper coaching, proper support of faculties is being provided, and then that is the result that our results are also great. Those who are joining us, they are fulfilling their goals of qualifying in these examinations.
Sir, in Goa, other institutes are there, they are giving the coaching. In example, Apache also there. So how you see your different from them?
So as I said, we are an online first organization, and that gives us an additional technological edge, right? If you visit any of the offline center of PhysicsWallah, you will see that the classrooms, they are fully tech enabled. Students are being taught through smart boards. Every lecture is being recorded. There is a proper tracking mechanism of the student performance on the application. The class which got conducted, that gets provided to the student on the application the day itself. So a lot of technological support is being provided to the student. That makes us different from the others in the industry. Right? Any further questions?
It will be online at present, and for them are going to be
No. As I said, that we are planning to open our offline centers here. We call the offline center as Vidyapeeth. So once we open our Vidyapeeth Center, the courses that we will be providing at centers, they will be fully offline. Some of the students, they will also be joining us in hybrid mode, wherein for some days they will be coming at the center, some days they will be attending classes at the convenience of their home, and then online is already ongoing, right? Lots of students of Goa, they are already joining PhysicsWallah online courses, and they are studying at their own convenience.
Sir, as you said, phase 1 scholarship examination happened. So how was the response and what was the criteria to evaluate benefit?
Sorry?
What the criteria to evaluate benefit scholarship?
So as I said, students studying in class, let's say if a student is planning to join a course in class 8th, so a 7th studying student who will next year be moving in class 8th, likewise the 10th studying student who will be next year moving in class 11th can appear in these examinations. They are mostly aptitude and subjective examinations in which the students participate, and basis their performance in the examination we prepare a merit list, and basis the merit list and students performance we provide them different category scholarships.
In phase 1 scholarship, how many students appear?
Sorry?
In phase 1 scholarship,
So nationally I believe, what was the exact count? Can you just give them the exact count? I think roughly 12 lakh students nationally had appeared in phase 1 examination. Yes.
सर ये आपने ऑफलाइन की बात की थी, ऑफलाइन कब तक ये चालू है?
So we are still in that plans, and our session mostly starts in the month of March and April. So in case if everything goes fine, in case if we plan everything properly, we will be opening our centers by January or February. The proper offline centers, they will be operational, and then courses will start from the month of March and April.
ऑफलाइन के लिए सर अभी गोवा से कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है आपके पास?
Sorry?
गोवा से कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है आपके पास ऑफलाइन के लिए?
So this is just the information center that we have opened at this point in time. Let me reiterate that we have plans to open our offline centers, and the courses will start in the month of March and April. So as of now, because we have not opened any center, we are not committing any student for that. But yes, we are in process of that. Once everything gets finalized, we will start the offline registrations also.
So fee structure or something?
Can you exactly tell that for Goa?
Fee structure for 2 years courses, that is approximately 2,92,000 for 2 years it is, and plus student can pay it in installments, and plus the PWNSAT exam, if the student appears in that exam, so basis on their performance they can always avail the scholarship in that. It could be up to 100% as sir was saying, and that is based on their performance. Plus the benefit in appearing in that exam is, number one is you get to know your all India ranking. Suppose if you are in a class where the student strength is 40, 50, 60, you know what exactly is your ranking and positioning. But pan India you don't know. So here where the lakhs of students are appearing this exam, you get to know your all India ranking. Plus it always helps you in the fees with in the means of scholarship. So these are the benefits. So gateway to the entry to the admission is PWNSAT exam, that one should always appear in this. Thank you.
So I'll take your question. The fee structure actually varies for courses, right? So for foundation courses like class 8th, 9th and 10th students, roughly the fee structure is 40 to 50,000 rupees. But as Mr. Imran said, that for 2-year long courses, it is roughly ranging between 2.5 to 2.9 lakhs.
Do you have any percentage restrictions for the admission?
Sorry?
Percentage for your institute?
No, not exactly. Those who are actually aspiring for these preparatory examinations, and those who are actually qualifying the criteria to appear in these examinations, we will be allowing all those students to pursue their dreams. It is exactly in sync with the NEET and JEE qualifying criteria. If the student is eligible to participate in the examination, we are also offering all those services.
There are classes on, we are learning in schools and colleges also.
Yes.
Why do you feel that coaching classes are important when there's always coaching in the classes also?
See, I would not like to comment on the educational system on schools, but yes, the students, they always learn at different paces, right? Some of the students, they require extra support, and these competitive examinations, they are, as you must be knowing, that nationally 20-25 lakh students, they appear in the examination, and students have very limited number of attempts. For JEE, or for NEET they appear, maybe for once or for, 2 times. So if that cutthroat competition is there, they just want to be absolutely correct, and every student has a different pace of learning, so they require that kind of, extra support in that terms. Yeah. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you.